Hello guys, welcome back to the Simple Snip Code. My name is Rahul, and in this video we will install Google Chrome browser in Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, so simple, open any browser and write Google Chrome and hit enter and open first website, that is download Google Chrome, and click here download Chrome. And we have to install in Debian or Ubuntu. So simple, we have click on 64-bit.deb and accept and install. Okay, and again, so here we see the downloading will start. Okay. So download is completed. Simple, click on this folder and right click on this interface and click on open in terminal. Okay, and simple write command, that is sudo dpkg -i, and the file name is Google Chrome. So simple type Google and enter tab. Okay, and hit enter, and here we have to enter sudo password and again enter. So here downloading is started. So we can see our Google Chrome is installed in our system. So close it, and simple click on show application and search here Chrome. Okay, you can see here Google Chrome is installed in our Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel.